Check this. That is so much better. Now let me show you. So here's the set that I got. I got this off of eBay. It comes with bulbs as well. If you guys want to go with this set too, I'll put the link down below in the description. Now let's get these guys installed. All right, now this is very simple to do. So all you do is push the marker towards the front of the car and then lift this side, the back end of the marker up. And then just pull out, twist it a little bit so that the connector clears the opening, and then it's out. Now we gotta remove the bulb and the bulb socket from the marker. So you just twist the bulb socket and then pull out. Now let's install the smoke side markers. I'm not a big fan of amber, so I'm just gonna leave the current bulb in there, but the way to install this is the exact same in reverse order as how we just removed it. So install the bulb and the socket into the marker. It only goes on in one way. You see the slots there. Lock it in, insert it into the slot, and start from this end first, and then just push and lock it in and let it click in. And now we're gonna follow the exact same procedure for the passenger side. And that just looks so much better now. Next up is those amber corners, so stay tuned. So if you have any further questions, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, if you guys missed the intro video on the E46, make sure you guys go and check it out right here, and also subscribe to my channel right here. Thanks.